What's up, everyone? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are off to ship some more items. We worked out this morning. Excuse the mess, I've got a lot of work to do out here. But we're shipping probably, I think, about $900 worth of stuff today. So we're gonna go get our Dunkin', which is our ritual. It's kind of like $12 reward when I go and ship stuff. So on my shipping day, I reward myself, for the hard work that I did. So $900 minus $12 minus $4 for gas. Oh, good old gas guzzler. We call this the gas guzzler. But here's the thing, guys. So it's not, all right, that 900, let's break down a little bit of business for you guys. Sorry guys, had my music playing there a little bit. Let's break it down just a little bit. So I am always buying every day, almost every hour. I am buying products coming in, products going out. That's business. So that $900 is probably on any day, could be a $100 profit, could be $200 profit, could be $600 profit. Depends on the day, depends on what I'm buying. And that's, constantly in and out, in and out, in and out. So a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, $900, wow. Yeah, but when you calculate, what I spend, because you got to spend money, depends on what area you're in. You have to spend money to make money. So it depends on what area you're in, business and the line. But for me, I buy product, I open product, rip product, get products from other rippers, get deals. Sometimes I get something overpay and have to take a loss, and then I resell the product. I keep what I want, and most times I keep what I want, but I'm just holding it, and then I'll flip it like 2 months later, or I'll get it and list it higher and then slowly lower the price, and so forth. So yeah, it's it's business. It's not, let's say if I would make $500 a day, you're not making $500 a day, because if I would simply pocket all that I made and not spend a cent buying product again, I would run out of product, and eventually there would be nothing to sell, which means no income. So for me, while I could do that and just pocket, I want to do this the rest of my life if I can. We'll see how life goes, but yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. And yeah, just remember, anybody can do anything that they want as long as they have the dedication and the consistency over years and years and years and years. Do the homework. So spend 1,000+ hours doing your homework on whatever you want to do, and then execute. There's a lot of people that get stuck on just doing the homework, and they're stuck. They're stuck because they train themselves to think, oh, by doing the homework, I'm actually doing something. Well, that's one step of a lot of steps. After you get over that step, then execute. Do. And then a lot of people are like, oh, well, this isn't working out, or I failed here, or this and that. Yes, congratulations. That's how you learn. You fail, you win, you do okay at something. You keep what works and you tweak what doesn't, and you can repeat that for years and years and years consistently. Anyway, all right, let's go. So, yeah, have a blessed day, and remember, if something doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. What are you gonna do? If you literally have given it your all, like your all, and your all is not 6 hours a day, your all is 10 to 15 hours a day, 7 days per week. That's your all. I would argue 10 to 15 hours per day, 7 days per week is your all. And then once you've done that for multiple years, and you wake up and you're still just nowhere, well, then you gave it your all. Then maybe it's time to check out and, level up somewhere else. I don't know. All I know is I refuse to give up. I refuse to quit. That's something about me. I refuse. I refuse to quit. And I refuse to let people dictate what happens, like, or where I go, because people will, yeah, we're not getting into that. Have a blessed day, guys. Love y'all.